Good day, students and viewers. You are welcome to the studios of MathsX. Previously, we introduced to you the topic called set theory. In today's class, we are making progress and we will be talking about the types of sets in mathematics. So we're going to describe the types of sets in mathematics. So for our next subunit, that is types of set. For types of set, the first type of set I want us to talk about is called the what? A finite set. So number one, a finite set. For a finite set is a set that all its elements are known. So for a finite set, this is a set in which all its elements are known. For instance, let's talk about a set of even numbers. For example, let's do this. Let's describe a set of even numbers less than 20. We used prime numbers less than 20. So for a set of even numbers less than 20, I'll take off this part of the board. So for the set of even numbers less than 20, we will denote it with the letter E with our brace. So even numbers less than 20, we're talking about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. So this is it. So this is a set of even numbers less than 20. I said that for a finite set, this is a set in which all its elements are what? Known. So you know all its elements in this particular set. All of them from the beginning to the end. So there is a second type of set. That one is called the infinite set. An infinite set is a set that contains a boundless number of elements. This type of set contains a boundless number of elements. So an example of this, I would say by word, I would describe by word a set of natural numbers. A set of natural numbers. You see, so when I say natural numbers, I'll denote it with the letter N. So here I go. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dot, 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 dot. So you see, it says that this type of set contains a boundless number of elements. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can keep on going on and on and on, but I won't have enough space. So I will express it with what? Dot, 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 dot. So that is what I'm doing here. So as you can see that the elements of a particular set are separated by what? Commas. So that's what I'm doing here. So that is for the finite and infinite set. There is another kind of set. That set is called the null set. This third set here, the null set. This set has no elements in it. So it's a set that has no elements. So it has no elements present. This set is denoted by, so if I have set A, this is how it's denoted. An empty set. It's a null set. It has no element inside. For instance, if I give you an example, describe a set H of human beings with 3 eyes, or maybe even 4 eyes. Of course, no human being has 4 eyes. No human being has 4 eyes. So this set is an empty set, or it's a null set. It's basically an empty set. The fourth kind of set is called the equal set. The fourth kind of set is called the equal set. So for the fourth set, equal set. Equal set is when two sets have the same number of elements. Please pardon my writing here, please. So they have the same number of elements. For instance, let's go by an example. I'll take off this part of the board. So for instance, I have a certain set C having elements 2, 6, 4, or rather 2, 4, 6. Let's start this way first. And then I have another set D. Set D is 6, 2, 4. That set C is equal to set D. And that's what it is. So when two sets have the same number of elements, they are called what? Equal sets. The next set I want us to consider is called the universal set. And that is number 5 rather. For the universal set, this is a set that contains every other element under consideration. All elements under consideration are contained in the universal set. So it's a set that contains all other elements under or in consideration. So a set that contains all other elements under consideration. So for instance, let's use, and symbol is mu. Let's talk about a set containing all Toyota cars in Nigeria. So every other Toyota car is in this bunch as far as it's in what? Nigeria. So then there's another symbol for set, that is the epsilon. This one is a set containing all the states still in Nigeria. So that is symbol for a universal set. There is another set. That's the last one I will talk about for today. That set is called the subset. So I'll take off this part of the board. So for the subset, that's number 6. The 6th type of set is the subset. For the subset, a set B is said to be a subset of set A if all the elements of set B are in set A. The subset, symbol for subset is denoted by So denoted by, it looks like a C, but it's a little extra long. So that's the symbol for subset. So we can say that B is a subset of A. This is how you write it. So let's put up an example to this effect. I'll take off this part of the board. Let's go by this example. We've used it before, that T is a set of all Toyota cars in Nigeria. All right, but B represents a set containing elements like Camry, Sienna, Matrix. Lastly, Forerunner. That's a Forerunner. So all the Toyota cars in Nigeria, of course, Camry is a Toyota, Sienna is a Toyota, Matrix is a Toyota, Forerunner is a Toyota. So we can boldly say, using this symbol, that B is a subset of what? T. This is how it is described. So my dear students and viewers, this is it for the types of sets in mathematics. I believe I've used almost all of them. I'm sure of that. My dear students and viewers, this is how far we go in today's class. For our next class, we will be going into set operations. It will be a very enlightening class. I urge you, my dear students and viewers, to watch the videos of Maths X, like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to our videos, because when you do so, you give us a lot of value. Thank you so much, and God bless you.